get flyer. I'm the Donna Delta, pilot for hire. Just told Cartier we gon' buy 2 of those. Getting more paper than the cubicle. You need GPS to go my route. My son 2 years old and off-white out. Pout, that's just what a hater do. Wanna air me out in a tube. I just cut him short. Interlude, dressed up like I'm going for an interview. Green means go, they call me no snow. Yeezy Boost 350 carbons. Something's different about this one. It's not the name, damn sure not the color. It's about like the 12th time we got a black 350. It's not the Boost technology. I know what it is. It's the shoestrings. Not the first time, because I remember the high 500s having shoestrings, if I can remember right. But this is the first time a Yeezy 350 comes with an extra set of shoestrings, guys. I said a Yeezy 350 came with an extra set of shoestrings. We're going to have to figure this one out, man. Get into this review. Sneaker notes. You know the vibes. Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks. You know the vibes. Boom. I know a lot of y'all not like me, and that's cool, but I stopped copping 350s a long time ago. I felt like they was getting redundant. And as far as the black pairs keep coming out with different accents, different gradients, different names. I own these ones. And for me, these are the GOATs. These are the Pirate Bay original black 350s from Yeezy. And compared to any other black sneaker, I always do this first. I always see which one is better. And to me, these always trump the competition. But with these carbons, it's a little different feel to these, man. And I like them. So let's break down why. For one, this white sole / cream off-white puts the sneaker in a different category that it's never been in before. Yes, you still have the black upper, whatever, but the cream bottom does it for me. Sort of like when he came out with a black pair with a gum bottom. That was different. I owned it, but I didn't keep it. This one here is a little different. I'll get into a more in-depth review of these, but before you do that, you know what we do at Sneaker Notes. It's the What's on Foot segment. This is part of the video where you, the viewer, go down in that comment section below and let your boy know what you're rocking on foot when you caught this video. Me, Cactus Jack merch, Travis Scott makes the best merch out here. Thumbs up if you agree, man. But today, I threw on a sneaker I didn't throw on in a long time, and this is my Supreme Up-Tempo in the gold colorway. Dope. San Francisco 49ers colors. I wish they signed Cap back. Somebody signed Cap. But just an overall dope shoe. They're kind of clunky, so I don't really like to wear them too much, but overall a dope shoe. Again on foot today, the Supreme Up-Tempos. In that comment section below, let me know what you're rocking on foot when you caught this video. And without further ado, hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. Yeezy Boost 350 carbon, same box. This box was cute at first. I loved it. I loved the brown paper bag look. Original cardboard looking packing box look. But Yeezy, you're like 80 sneakers in. Only about 6 different silhouettes, but about 80 to 100 sneakers in easily. We should change the box. You got all kind of mineral and rock names for the sneakers, carbon, and I can't even remember all the names. Change the box once in a while. This could have been a gray box for the carbon, a black box, whatever. Change the box, man. But original 350 box, if you're looking for something any different, you're not going to get it here. Let's start with the left shoe. And before we break out all the highlights and dislikes of mine in a sneaker, as I told y'all in the beginning of the video, I seen this envelope in the box. And I said, oh, maybe they just put the receipt inside the box this time. But this sneaker came with extra set of shoelaces. That made me look into the shoelaces more. On the shoelaces, you can't tie them. It's sort of like a rubber grip right here that I guess it's like a pulley to tighten or loosen the 350 carbon. My next question was, so how the hell do I take the shoestring off to change it? The only option I came up with is you have to cut it. How else will you be able to take the shoestring out of the holes? A couple of reasons here that Yeezy did this, and I'm going to break them down. For one, we know Yeezy is an ego maniac. Love his music, but his ego is crazy. So I feel like he made these shoestrings like this that you have to cut them, because we've seen various videos of people making the shoestring the cause looking situation. As a matter of fact, I did that. As you can see here, these are my Zebra 350s. Still DS. Wifey put the cause thing in there for me. Shout out to her. I'm never that creative in life. And Yeezy must don't like that. This is a Yeezy. He wanted to keep it a Yeezy. He don't want you putting cause in there. Also, we have various videos of people changing the shoestrings out, as they should. It's they right. I want a green shoestring in here to make it pop. I want an off-white shoestring. I want an American flag shoestring. I should be allowed to put that in there. I don't feel like why I have to cut this just to do what I want to do on a sneaker that I brought. And I probably stayed in line for, waited up all night, got a whole bunch of clicks on my phone and iPad and MacBook just to buy. So that's the thing with the shoestrings. Back to the sneakers. So minus that rant, these are a bad pair of Yeezys. I like these ones, man. The carbon look is super dope because depending on how you're looking or where you're looking, you can see some gray, you can see some dark blue even, you can see some light blue even, depending on your lighting and how you're looking at things. This right here is like a dope staple of mine that I like Yeezy has coming to starting to do with the little see-through line there. I really think that's dope. I love the patchwork of the sneakers, not gonna lie. It's not just a regular black one like we keep getting. The patchwork of that line, that see-through line, I'm telling you, comes all the way to the back. Then it's not see-through anymore. It's just like a black line patch. And then it disappears. And that's when you get more of your carbon look. Super dope, man. Then this is just like a special play on words. Carbon fiber, this definitely looks like carbon fiber. As I told you about the bottom, this off-white cream look definitely complements the upper of the black shoe. If this was just all black, I would not have brought these. I'm sick of them. And of course we know we got the Boost technology. So I know I had like a crazy rant on the shoestrings. I like them. I don't change shoestrings out. Even when Off-White gives us 4 or 5 shoestrings, my Jordan 1 Travis Scotts, we had pink, white, black, brown. I don't change shoestrings. I wear the sneakers how it's rocked. I don't even lace my shoestrings. However it comes is how I wear them. So it's not really a bummer on me, but I know some people who love to customize their shoestrings. So if that's you and you're willing to waste a pair by cutting it or even cutting it, getting creative with it, I would love to see it. Tag me in the pictures. I would love to see it. I'm at C-Note718 on Instagram. But far as for me, that's not a buzz killer. I know I did a rant on it, but it's not a buzz killer for me. But I know it's a buzz killer for some of y'all, and I'm for the people. So I don't understand that reasoning. But other than that, dope shoe, man. Black, can't go wrong with it, but it's not the regular black as we've been seeing before with the triple blacks and the pirate blacks and so many different blacks, man. Yeezy's wildin'. But again, this is the review on the Yeezy 350. Not bad, man, in my opinion. In that comment section below, let me know if you cop. Let me know how you feeling about these. Is the shoestring a killer for you? I want to hear it all, man. Again, on foot today, I got on the Supreme up tempos in the comment section below. Let me know what you're rocking on foot when you catch this video. And without further ado, get rich.
Know the vibes. Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks. Know the vibes.